Your phone holds your life in 2025. Here's how to protect it. Tip number 1. Use strong passwords. Your phone, S-Lock, screen, and app passwords should be strong and not something generic like your birthday. 1234. Use a password manager to generate a complex password and remember it somewhere safe. Tip number 2. Enable 2FA. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your phone. You can enable it in your phone settings, and it'll ask you to use an authenticator app. These apps generate a time-sensitive code that you'll need to enter when logging in to your account. Tip number 3. Don't click suspicious links. Be cautious of links sent via SMS or email. Don't click them if they look suspicious. And if you do need to click them, make sure you can trust the source. Fake emails and messages are a common way for hackers to steal personal information. Tip number 4. Keep your operating system updated. Updating your phone's operating system may seem like a hassle, but it's important to do regularly. Updates usually include security patches that protect your phone from the latest threats. Tip number 5. Use app permissions wisely. When you install an app, it will ask you for permission to access certain features on your phone, such as the camera or microphone. Only give access to those features if the app absolutely needs it. For example, if it's a game, do you really need to give it access to your camera? Probably not. Now that you know how to protect your phone, you can browse and shop safely on it. Just remember to stay vigilant and keep these tips in mind. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. TapSmart. Smarter tech, simpler life.